professor famously said that if Vineet Rai gets a job, then I will actually start. When Russians came to India, they started believing in God. If Vineet Rai gets a job, I'll start believing in God. I realized very quickly कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था. जो ideas थे farmers के, उनके पास farmers के पास भी पैसा नहीं था. And without money you can't make a difference. So मैंने 3 चीज सीखा उस पीरियड में. पहला चीज मैंने सीखा कि ideas तो बहुत डायम अ डजन है. Productive ideas कम है. The second thing I genuinely understood and thought about was bina capital that is willing to take wild risk, you can bring no change. So money is a very important thing.
It's a tool.
तब तक अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की गवर्नमेंट आई एंड डॉक्टर माशेलकर लॉन्च टेक्नोप्रेन्योर प्रमोशन प्रोग्राम एंड 50 लाख रुपए का बजट था एंड आई अप्लाइड एंड टुक अवे 45 lakhs आउट ऑफ दैट एंड विष्णु वार्ष्णेय वाज ऑन माय बोर्ड. सो आई टोल्ड हिम, सर लोगों के पास आइडिया है, आइडिया को बदलने के लिए पैसा चाहिए और पैसा ही नहीं है. And he said, oh, what you are talking about is called venture capital. I said, whatever capital is पैसा ही नहीं है.
So as an entrepreneur, take our viewers through your mindset and learning to say how important is the right team.
I genuinely believe that if you have to be successful, you have to be constantly seeking out failures.
वो joy है ना, इतनी छोटा सा एक शब्द है, तीन अक्षर का शब्द है, but it is the biggest intangible capital one can bring in.
Indians में मैंने 2 तरह के किए. Young Indians with great aspirations, and I told them, listen, if the Harvard Wharton guys work with me, why would you? So I went to these guys and I told them, what's your salary? I will offer you a 10% of what you get, but I'll give you a lot of joy, a lot of freedom, independence. I only hired from the best. And I paid the less. This is my secret sauce. I used to pay 20,000 rupees, and I also used to pick people from Harvard, Wharton. मैं सबको लिखता था and I actually reached out to all top institutions and I said, listen guys, I can showcase to your children a world that they have never thought about. And you will be amazed and shocked. At one point of time, 40% of our management was American, Chinese, Japanese, Mongolian, Korean, British, Germans. There is a famous number that your lower best employee and the highest earning member के बीच में 40x से ज़्यादा difference नहीं होना चाहिए. Entrepreneurs का जो होता है, they understand their limitations very well, but they have unlimited ambition. So their ambition and their capabilities don't ever match. And that is what makes you an entrepreneur.